Om Shanti students. Today we are starting with the basic grammar. That is, firstly we deal with the subjects. What is called subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject is tells about whom and what, and predicate is deals with the verb in the sentence. What is the subject is doing is tell the predicate. Firstly, we have to know that every sentence should have subject and predicate. Tell whom. Subject will tell us whom and what the sentence is about, and predicate tells what the subject is or doing. And this to make the complete sentence has the complete meaning have a sentence. Let us see the example. The monkey ate a banana. In this sentence we will see that what is the verb of the sentence, because we already said you. In predicate we will be search about the verb. So what is the verb in the sentence? The monkey ate is the verb of the sentence. Okay, now we will be ask you the next two question which will be related to subject. What is the subject is deals with who or what. So who is in the subject? The monkey. The monkey is the subject, because who is the person here? The monkey. The monkey is related to the subject. And rest of the verb and the rest of the sentence is called the predicate, because predicate contains a verb in the sentence. So this is the example about the subject and predicate. Now we see one more example about the subject and predicate. The dog was barking. The dog was barking loudly. Okay. Here what is the verb? Was barking. Was barking is the verb. And next we will find out what is the subject. Subject is related to who or what. So who is here? The dog is here. Who we are asking? The dog. The dog is who. So this is subject, and was barking loudly is the predicate in the sentence. Let us see some more examples related to subject and predicates. In this sentence you see, honesty is the best policy. What is the verb in this sentence? Is the verb of the sentence. And what here we are saying, talking about? We are talking about what? What we are talking about? We are talking about honesty. What we are talking about? We are talking about the honesty. Honesty is the subject, and is the best policy is the predicate. Next sentence you will see, I asked her to call me. Here what is the verb of the sentence? Ask it. Ask is the verb of the sentence. And who she tell to call? I. I is the person who. Okay, so this is the I is the subject, and ask it to her. Ask it to her is the predicate. Now, next sentence. Sachi is listening to music. Listening to music. Here, is listening. Is listening is the verb of the sentence. And Sachi is the subject. Who is here the person? Who? Sachi. Sachi is the person, so it is subject. Okay, whom we are talking about? We are talking about the Sachi. Sachi is the person, it is the subject, and listening to the music is the verb. Okay, it is not always necessary that the verb should be, the subject should be on front, or it is not obviously that it should be come in middle or at the last. It may be come in the last also. So see this sentence. Next example: on top of the tree lives a sparrow. Okay, here what is the verb of the sentence? Lives is the verb of the sentence. But we are asking, on the top of tree who is living? On the top of the tree is a sparrow is living. A sparrow is the person. Who is here? Who is the sparrow? So sparrow is the subject, and leaves on the top of the tree, leaves is the predicate. So here we can see the sentence, the predicate is coming in the front of the sentence and the subject is coming at the last. So like this can the sentence in subject, it is not necessary that always the subject should be come in the front. Predicate also come in the front in some types of sentences. Next, last example: show me how to do, show me how to do it. It is a type of imperative sentence. It is a type of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, in the imperative sentence, what happen? You will come. We have to think in front of who is showing me how to do this. We are saying about you is as a understood subject. You is understood as a subject in the sentence. Okay, because always whenever the imperative sentence will come, you will be taken as the subject, and other part of the subject is called as the predicate. You is the subject and other part of the sentence is called the predicate. Now I will give you some of the activities of worksheet related to subject and predicate. You can identify easily by this method what is the subject and what is the predicate. Now we will take the definition of the subject and predicate. Subject. What is the subject really means? The subject of the sentence is what and whom the sentence is about. Okay, so subject will tell us about the what and whom the sentence is telling about. Predicate. A predicate is the part of a sentence that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. Okay, what the subject is doing and what the subject is. This is telling about by the predicate. As we are seeing in before only, that subject is tell about who and what, and predicate is tell about the verb of the sentence, and what the subject is doing is tell about the predicate. By this you can easily understand the subject and predicate, and it is the very important part of the grammar and sentence to know about the subject and predicate. Now I will give you some of the worksheet. You have to complete the worksheet and send me. Thank you.